Basic commands: rotate, pan, look forward, walk through, path navigation. But generally you will need path, pan, and look around only. Look around is just a click on anything. So zoom is of course middle scroll button. So you want to move view at along an axis. See this one, click on that one, moves along view along X, Y, Z, bottom. So you can spin it around like this. You want to hide something, you can select that, and then click this button, hide. Click this button, hide. Then you want to show everything. Reset model will show everything and so on. So if you want to show only that, show only selected. See that one? Show only selected. You want to select and everything within a window, click this button and draw a window, and then you selected that, and then show only selected. So only that is shown. So if you want to select everything crossing the window from right to left. If you want to select everything within the window, it is left to right. Okay, right to left will select everything which is crossing it, and then show only selected. It has basically shown everything which is crossed. So if I click that one and then I move the mouse away and rotate, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so you click that there, and there itself you click the left button, keep it pressed and rotate, it will rotate there. The measurement tool, you have various options: perpendicular measurement, single point, etc. So perpendicular measurement is say between these 2 points, that, and if I want single point, it will give you an RL or coordinates. So I give you that coordinates. You can do the coordinates also and check. See that? And you can calculate. Okay, you will need a calculator. You can also measure between planes. So select that, and let's say we go from this. See, the plane symbol has come in, and then you have to select the plane. See, the plane has come. So it has to be perpendicular, otherwise it doesn't make any meaning. So that is 1887. These markups, so you can do a text markup here. So click there, and do that. You may not be able to save unless you sign it. Okay, so that's that one. And then you have various snap options: snap to points, snap to lines. That means it will pick up a line, pick up another line maybe. So I don't want a point, so let me pick up. I don't know why it does. As a text. Okay, so that's the one. For the clipping plane, you can click on the scissor and then click that, push it in and out. So you want to slice out, so you can go this side and then click again another one and then put it there, and then you can move it in and out so that you can reduce your what you see. So you have vertical clipping plane. So you can see that vertical clipping plane. So the clipping plane is vertical. Wherever you click, it will go only vertical. So that's handy to isolate things. So you want to see the lift only at certain point, you can click like that. Let's say I want to see the lift core. That's where it is approximately. So I first of all note that, and I move to the Z view. So the lift core is somewhere here. So I go in clip box. So where is that? This is somewhere. That's where it is. And then I can drag this out to see only what I want. Somewhere there. Okay. And then you can come here and then reduce to what you want here. See there? Hmm. We want to do that. Yeah. And then that.